It's going to be about everything content creation, branding, brands, advertising. If you're even half as excited as I am about this new thing, hello, I am Pranita. I've done this video in my head about 100 times, but I never had the balls to record it, shoot it, put it up. But here we are, doing it now. It almost feels like I'm creating content for the first time, but I know that you and I together, we're just gonna get through it. Some people on the internet know me as Mad Woman. I create content for a living and I inspire and motivate others to create content as well. If you've come here from my Instagram, you already knew all of this about me. So what is this new long form space going to be all about for me? Well, like the old short form space, it's going to be about everything content creation, branding, brands, advertising, and most of all, copywriting. On my Instagram, I've been trimming things down to 60 to 90 seconds and I've become very used to that. This is the space where I won't be doing it as much. Let's hope at least. Also because sitting and watching yourself speak for 10 times during editing is hard, okay? And just imagine doing it for a longer piece of content. We're gonna get through this, you and I, we will. Right now, the plan is to post one video a week and then I guess we'll go from there. I'm not making any big commitments right now. I'm not. Once a week, we'll be able to do once a week. I think so. We'll see. We will see. We will see. So yeah, I don't know what I want you to do at this point of time, but you've always shown me so much love. So maybe try and do it one more time. It might just work. If you're even half as excited as I am about this new thing, like, share, subscribe, and I don't know, just wait, okay? I am planning things. There are a lot of things in the pipeline. And I will bring them to you. I will. Yeah, that's all for this first video. I don't know, I'd expected the first video to be a lot more, but I don't know. The entire idea right now is to leave the perfectionist aside and just do things. So here I am, doing a new thing that I've been scared and excited about for a very long time. Join me on the journey and let's see where we go.